This flywheel is 90% smaller than the actual one. I decided to add it onto my engine block model and my crankshaft model because I wanted it to spin and continue spinning. So this should have theoretically increased the inertia and allowed it to spin for way longer. But at 90% scale, it doesn't really do anything significant except for causes some tiny imbalances, and that's because it's not perfectly centered. But if I wanted that smallest bit of help, then I could just shrink it down, make sure it's perfectly centered, and put it in the engine block. But for this model, it doesn't really work.